Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with the makeup tutorial. This is a no makeup look which I created with Ponds and Inveda BB cream together, and this is the final outcome. And the nail paint which I'm using is from the brand called Itex Dazzler. It is affordable and a famous brand in South India. I just wanted to show that. And if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. So first you're gonna see me without makeup. So this is just my bare face without any makeup, and I just washed it and it is super dry today. So I'm gonna choose Olay moisturizer today. This is a big tub which cost me around 900 rupees, and this is good for dry skin, not for oily skin. I belong to oily skin family, but I'm super dry today, so I'm gonna use it. And whenever you buy any moisturizer, my suggestion is first go for a tube, a smaller quantity, test it, and if it works for you, then go for a tub. Don't do the same mistake I did, guys. So it's so costly and I have to use it, so I'm just trying to work with that, and I'm massaging this completely into my skin. It is a good moisturizer though, but it doesn't go well with my skin, because I am into the oily skin family. So once it is done, then I'm gonna go with the sunscreen, and this is from Glamitup Sunscreen Gel with SPF 30. This is in gel format, like I'm gonna show it up close. Yes, it looks like a gel, but like little bit of green tint to it, and it has some herbal smell too, but I love that it is not too heavy. The smell is not too heavy, and it is not going to affect if you have a sensitive nose like me, and that is not a problem, guys. You can still use it. It is a wonderful sunscreen, and that's it. Next I'm going to go with the Inveda BB cream, and this is 150 rupees for 15 ml, I think. And Ponds BB cream, everybody know that, and everybody would have used it. So both the BB creams are not the exact match to my skin color, because I fall into dark or dusky skin family. But anyhow, I'm gonna work with this because these are the only options we have in the market for BB creams. So already I did the Spinz, even that is a lighter shade. So the companies has to come up with dark shades, but this is the only options we have. So I'm just giving you suggestions how we can work with this and still use whatever we have. So I'm gonna put it all over my face, and you would have noticed that I didn't apply anything on my neck, even in this video and also in my previous video. And if you didn't watched it, so I will put it in the description box below. Do watch the Spinz BB cream no makeup look. In both the videos I didn't apply anything on my neck because my hair is short. Anyhow, I'm gonna put loose hairs and I don't want to give any coverage to my neck. But if you have a long hair and if you're gonna put a ponytail, just ensure that you are giving the same coverage to your neck which you did for your face. So you can see that it is completely a white cast on my face, but I'm going to massage it very well so that it will be absorbed. You can see a difference now. And then this is the Coloressence compact powder, and you can see already I hit the pan because this is a wonderful compact. Even though I'm not applying any color correction or any concealer, it covers the dark pigmentation under my eyes, under my nose. It covers everything, guys. This is a wonderful compact powder. If you are gonna sit inside air conditioned room or like enough air, if you're gonna actually travel in a bus after doing this makeup, I don't think so it's gonna be a very good idea, until or otherwise if you're not sweat a lot, because if you sweat this will come off. But to a certain extent I would say it is a decent compact powder. Again, this is not the exact match for my skin color, like this is a little bit lighter, but I'm just showing you, as I said, how we can work with the options which we have. So this is the darkest shade, by the way, in the Coloressence, but again, this is not obviously darkest for us, like we are into dusky or dark skin family. again, I'm mentioning that point, the companies has to come up with darker shades. So this time I'm gonna do my eyebrows and my eyeliner off the camera, and I'm using Bella Voste and the Miss Claire product for this. And this is the Bella Voste liquid lipstick. Yes, it's not a liner, I'm sorry, liquid lipstick in the shade Cinnamon, and it I felt like it matched with my kurta, so I loved it. But it is so dark to my skin, to my lips. It was so dark, and it makes me to look so dark. So somehow I worked with it, and I actually made it a little bit lighter than the actual color of the product. And this is the final look, guys. I'm just gonna just brush my hair, and you can see. So as I said, my hair is short, it covers the neck, so it doesn't need any coverage. And this is the final outcome, guys. I just tried to use a choker for the first time in my life, and this is from Faconn, and the long chain is from Club Factory, and I just tried matching both of them, and I felt it's good. It was looking good on me. How do you guys think about this outlook, the outcome of the makeup? So please do leave your comments, your suggestions, everything in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to hear from you guys. And that earring is again from Faconn, guys. I am loving Faconn jewelries nowadays. So this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.